Country Builders is a well-established renovation and extension home builder with over 40 years' experience in the Canberra region. Father and son team Richard and Adam have helped hundreds of clients achieve their building goals. They focus on ensuring the process is as smooth as possible and that the result exceeds client expectations. Country Builders' dedicated and experienced team of consultants, building designers, draftsmen, engineers, interior decor advisors and administration staff offer their expertise and creative skills to turn home improvement dreams into reality. Richard, aka Richie Martin, defines success as being able to get out of bed every morning and do what he loves every single day. Country Builders also give back to the community by continually employing apprentices, both school-based apprentices and those starting their career in the carpentry trade. Congratulations, Country Builders!